Okay, thought I could show everyone cold start my truck. It's not really that cold out, but you know, that was worth a shot. We'll see how it does.
7 shades darker than your lip gloss.
It's reading 25. Let's see what the tuner says. 42. Not even that cold. You should be able to see high idle too. Did it last night. There it is. Nope. Did it last night. It surprised me. It wasn't even that cold. It was probably close to 4 degrees out when it just kicked down. Normally it sits at about 720 RPM, and now you can see it's up to, you know, about 1050. Temperature on this thing just goes right to the roof. It warms up real nice when it's doing this. So, and that's it. Okay, it's been about probably 5 minutes and it's still on high idle. So let's see what the temperature on it is now. 136. Not too bad. It's nice and warm in here now too, so that's a good thing.